Oh, you want a flag? She wants a flag. What kind? Japanese?
How do you say hi again?
Ooh, that smells. Horses! Oh. That's right, there you go.
That's Canadian smell, right?
That is horses. I think horses are universal. I think they all smell the same. I'm sure a horse in